First, we're going to look at the definition of what an enzyme is. Also look at characteristics of enzymes, functions, mechanisms of their action, properties, and enzyme inhibition. Enzymes can be defined as biological molecules which alters the rate of chemical reactions. Enzymes do not undergo any permanent change. What they do is they just catalyze a reaction over and over again. So the same enzyme can catalyze several reactions. For this reason, you might require a much bigger substrate and maybe a small volume of enzyme, because it's the enzyme that catalyzes the substrate, and when products are formed, the same enzyme will move on to the next substrate. The characteristics of enzymes. Enzymes are protein in nature. They've got a three-dimensional complex structure, and normally they are larger than their substrates. They also have an active site, and the way they work is by reducing the activation energy of reactants. They actually provide an alternative pathway so that the amount of energy required for a reaction to take place is reduced. Their mechanism. Enzymes work in two types of mechanisms. The first one is the induced fit hypothesis. Then the second one is the lock and key hypothesis. For the induced fit hypothesis or model, what happens is the active site of an enzyme may be altered so that a substrate can fit. We can liken the action of an enzyme to the hand and glove. The hand changes so that it can fit into a glove. So the same thing happens with an enzyme. For it for the active site to accommodate the substrate, it changes a bit so that the substrate can fit. For the lock and key hypothesis, it's similar to the normal locks and keys, where a non-lock is unlocked by a particular key. So the active site will act as the key to the lock, which will be the substrate. For their properties, you note that enzymes are